Well, good evening, everyone, and my sincere apologies for not being able to join you on this very special occasion. I'd like to thank the organizers at Life Sciences Ontario for giving me the opportunity to say a few personal words in honor of this year's Lifetime Achievement Award winner, Dr. Calvin Stiller. Now, Dr. Stiller's career has been marked by unique and important contributions to so many areas as a physician, an entrepreneur, and of course as a builder of private and public institutions that have immeasurably enriched the research landscape of Canada. I first came to know Cal as the co-founder and director of the Mars Discovery District in Toronto and as chair of Genome Canada. As I have served as Minister of Health and later Minister of Industry, we have continued to cross paths as he and his team work to bring research and business communities together under one roof. Now, bridging that gap, the commercialization gap, is an area where our government has been concentrating its efforts, and I personally can think of few organizations that do it more effectively than Mars. Dr. Stiller's leading role in several S&T-focused venture capital funds is just more proof of what everyone in this room already knows. He represents the best of a rare breed that combines exceptional scientific research with keen business instincts. Now, since I've promised to keep things brief, I won't be able to recount all of Cal's successes to you. The list is simply too long. But I will leave you with my sincere thanks on behalf of the Government of Canada for all, Cal, that you have done to bring scientific discovery to Canadians, to the real people who benefit most from the genius that takes place in our labs and research facilities. Cal, you are truly a creative Canadian catalyst and are most deserving of this Lifetime Achievement Award. Thank you.